friends, Running Kimono here, and we have some toys that are 80% right now over at Walgreens. It's spillover from Christmas. I have 32-cent native shampoo, conditioner, body wash, that good stuff, and more 90% off hair care. So, a lot of you, like me, might be dealing with really bad roads or rain, and I will let you know that probably the clearance stuff will be in the stores right till the weekend, and then slowly thereafter, the employees will start boxing it off and sending it back to head office. So if your roads are anything like this, sometimes taking a day off is the smarter way to shop. Be safe out there, because it's not fun to shop in this during clearance times. You can sometimes take a pass, and that is A-okay. Question I'm getting a lot from probably newer shoppers is, when is Walgreens going to hit 90? It typically doesn't. 80% is the cap, the most that they will discount things at. After that, it gets boxed off, sent back to head office, and probably auctioned off to companies that buy seasonal shelf pulls. Meijer is also at 90% off for their Christmas stuff. That happened, I think, on Tuesday the 9th. And Dollar General quarter sale, it's either going to be Tuesday the 16th or Tuesday, January the 23rd. A toss-up between those two dates. I think the Friday before, either the 12th or the 19th, a memo should be dropped, and then we're going to start posting videos, throwing stuff on social media, but it's going to be those two dates. And for the many of you who are messaging me saying, what day do I take off of work? I apologize. I am just as, I don't have an answer for you, but it's going to be one of those two dates likely. And hopefully they still give us the quarter sale. Fingers and toes crossed. Okay, so at many Walgreens, they have this little display of native deodorant, body wash, and shampoo, and it's in the Christmas scents. Find it merchandised right at the front on a side cap, or they might have it in the Christmas clearance. If you can track down three of these that are 80% off, so they're $1.99 each. I found 2 conditioners and 1 shampoo. It's on this goofy promotion of buy 3, get back a $5 register reward, and it printed for me. Here it is, guys. 3 of those candy cane clearance at $1.99. It was $5.97 for me, and I grabbed the shampoo. Subtracting $5 in Walgreens cash, I paid 97 cents and got back one $5 register reward, making it 97 cents for the 3, or 33 cents per shampoo, which is a really great price point. And I'm doing this deal with no boosters, so it was just a terrific find. I mean, honestly, if you can only find 1 or 2, maybe it's worth grabbing one at full price if native is your thing. I know their deodorants are really great. I've been using them for about a year, and I'm really excited to try the shampoo. On Tuesday the 9th, I believe a lot of toys started hitting 80% off, and a lot of this stuff merchandised in the regular toy aisle. It wasn't with Christmas, so that's how I was able to find a whole lot. So I'm just going to show you what I found, and I thought for Easter, it kind of looks like an egg. This might be a cute little gift for nieces and nephews. The first one actually has it's like a butterfly on the back. Sorry, I didn't get a very good photo, but this one's $5.39, and it has a bunch of cool toys inside for the kids. And it's by the company Zuru that does the bunch of balloons, so it's probably going to be a really good quality toy. Another one that's super cute is this dog one, and it's $4.99, so a little cheaper. Use $5 in Walgreens cash, and I mean, I think it would make a really cute Easter gift for kids. I think it's so cute. This is also a great find for $3.99. It's this easel with all Disney stuff, so it's super cute for $3.99. So what I tried to do is get a $50 basket with all my stuff and use $50 in Walgreens cash and then pay down the tax. But, for nieces and nephews, kids' birthday gifts, I mean, it's just such a cute little thing to give, especially for the creative kids that like to paint and, make comics, that sort of thing. This is perfect for little boys. $3.99 as well. I mean, it's a great, great price. And look for this also in the regular toy aisle. They might move things around, and that's what they did at this one store. I mean, I found everything. And I also found a ton of 90% off shampoo and various hair care products. I think with shrinkflation and what's going on, I think they're going to be changing a lot of these bottles, or what they've been doing the last couple years. But this whole basket was like $14, and I used $4 in register rewards, and $10 in Walgreens cash and just paid down the tax, and I was so happy. So the first items, and I didn't buy any of these, 90% off Walgreens hairbrushes. We get these for free every Christmas at Rite Aid, so I was like, pass. This mirror, I did buy one for my husband because he's always looking for a good mirror for shaving, 70 cents. Fantastic price point. And the OGX, $1.39, 90% off for blondes. I didn't buy it. We have this curl shampoo. I did buy these at 90 cents a pop, and I just found the conditioner. So, you're going to get whatever's left. Love Beauty Planet, we have a little conditioner as well for 80 cents. This store had a huge amount of it left. It's like nobody was interested in it. And I only found 2 of these Pantenes at 60 cents a pop. And we have the Tresemme for 73 cents, and I just got the conditioners. The shampoos were still full price. And the Shea Moisture Hair Mask for $1.39. I mean, that is a crazy price point. The original price is like $14. I do like that hair mask. A big thing of hair gel. Who still uses hair gel for 45 cents? I left all of those at the store. No hate to hair gel, but that's quite a bit. And the for blondes, it's this purple shampoo. $1.09, a very good price point. And then to color your hair, these little like sprays for 70 cents. There was still a whole bunch of those. And then I found more of the anti-dandruff shampoo. I grabbed a bunch of these for my mom. Original price point $16. So for $1.59, I will buy all of them. And then the Revlon hair dye for $1.29. Didn't find a ton of hair dye at this one store, but I found a box. Now, with the Christmas clearance, this is one item I really, really wanted. And you know what, guys? Here's the story. It's still full price. So I don't know if chapsticks just send all of the units back to our warehouse and we'll keep them for the next 10 years and nobody will be able to get them for 80% off. I don't know what the story is, but I wanted to get one of these at 80% off. One store I found 15 of them. And the cashier did a price check for me and she's like, yeah, it's still full price. What is the story with this? Now we're looking at some cat litter for $7.99 with $4 of savings. This is one item that's really gotten expensive overnight. It's really, really costly now, especially if you have multiple cats. So I just cooked up a quick little deal with this cat litter, and it is the Arm & Hammer. I've bought this before in the past. Grabbing 3 of these, it's $23.97. I would throw in $20 in Walgreens cash, pay $3.97. Alternatively, if you might have a $3 register reward from Tresemme or something, Colgate, whatever, throw it in, pay 97 cents. It's just a way to get some cheaper cat litter because it is so expensive. And let's not forget, we're doing this deal with no booster. It's just to use a bit of that Walgreens cash or register rewards or whatever you have to get some cheaper cat litter over at Walgreens, and $7.99 is not the worst price point. Before I take off on I think Monday, I went out to Walmart. I went to 2 different Walmarts. I did a lot of shopping, including getting 20-cent Tree Hut. I talk about how I get that deal. I will link that video here at the very end. Check it out if you like Walmart Christmas clearance. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.